Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Jessica. I also go by Jayyroot on Instagram. I literally just got home and at my door was a PR package from Wet n Wild, one of my favorite brands. I can't say that I used to be a big fan of Wet n Wild, but I think that they have just been coming through. And I say that because their highlighters are amazing. Their eyeshadows are amazing. Also, I had a full face of makeup on, and so my eyebrows look really dark because I had to touch them up, and now I'm like, hi. So yeah, I'm going to do a first impression of the Wet n Wild Stick Foundation along with the primer and the new High Shine Gloss and lots of other goodies. So if you guys want to check this out and see my opinion and first impression, then stick around. Oh my god, these are heavy. Okay, oh my god, where do I even begin? When I opened up this box, I was like, damn! I feel like Wet n Wild PR packages are my favorite. I mean, I don't get a lot of PR packages as it is, but I feel like Wet n Wild definitely spoils me. The first box that I opened, this is what they look like. I mean, whoa! This is what it looks like next to my face. It's ginormous. This is the primer and foundation 2019 collection. Inside we have 4 different stick foundations and 3 primer waters. So on this little piece of paper it tells you that there's 21 shades, gluten-free, fragrance-free, talc-free, vegan shades. And from when I look in this box, it looks like they gave me all of these shades, which is good because I'm pretty pasty right now. I'm pretty pale. It looks like they gave me most of the light shades, so they gave me shell ivory, soft ivory, classic ivory, and soft beige, which is good for the summertime because I'm obviously going to be a tanner, and I have more of like a yellow and red tone to me, so I think that's going to work out great. These are only $6. It says it has a no flashback technology. It says it provides a medium to full coverage with a soft satin finish. So I don't know what that's even going to be like, but we shall see. And then here we have the primer waters, the coconut, the rose, and the cucumber. These are $4 for the primers. Prep your skin with these, or set your skin with these, or just even refresh your skin. So you can do whatever you want with these. I'm excited to try these out. Again, vegan for these. I think everything from Wet n Wild is vegan and cruelty free. In the next box we have the bronzer and highlighter. Same kind of deal, super nice packaging. And when you open it up, this is what you see. I'm not gonna hurt myself here today. A bunch of bronzers, and in the middle these are all loose highlighters, and then these are just like compact highlighters. These bronzers are actually way bigger than the other bronzers they sell, so that's a plus. Some of them do have sparkle in them, some of them don't. And I really like the compact highlighters just because they're less messy. And then we have the liquid lipstick and eyeshadow collection. These shimmer eyeshadows are amazing. I use them all the time. I haven't tried all of them obviously, but these are actually the High Shine glosses. So I swatched one of them and it seems like a thick gloss, like it has some pigment to it, so that's kind of nice. But anyways, yeah, let's just jump right in and start this. The first 4 shades in the eyeshadow collection, they're like nudes, which I'm not really sure what to do with them. Like, do I prime my eyelids with these? Are they going to be like glossy? I think I might just prep my eyes as normal with concealer and then just go in. Alright, so I think I'm going to take this taupey looking color. It is called Off the Grid. I'm just going to go ahead and place this kind of on the outer corner of my eye. It's very taupey, which I really like. See how this blends out. Hopefully it dries. I'm just kind of patting it in an upwards direction. It's moving super easy. I don't think this would crease, but I like that it's kind of like a nice little base for your eyeshadow. I'm going to use this little circle palette from the Zodiac collection. I've only swatched these, so I haven't actually used these. But I really like this dark shade in here. Really, I like them all. Here, I'll swatch them on camera. They're so freaking pigmented, you guys. Look at that. Alright, so I'm going to go in there heavy with it. And I'm just kind of going to go on the same spot here. So I would say it blended out pretty damn nice. I think that base definitely helped the eyeshadow. So from this, alrighty, from this I'm going to use this shade right here. Oh, mama. Alright, and then from the eyeshadows, I'm having a hard time deciding here. It's like, do I want to go orangey? Do I want to go like with that tone? I take these two colors. This one's Shells and Whistle, and this one is When the Stars Align. I usually use my finger to blend these out. There's like zero difference there. Maybe I should try this purple shade because it's really bright. See, I love the applicator because you can just kind of like put it where you want. Know what I mean? And then I believe that's just going to dry down on its own. Do a little bit of that. Definitely got to blend this one out. That is really pretty. Wish you guys could see it like I can see it. I kind of want to try out some of this black glittery one. That's pretty. I like it. Yes. Now I'm going to have to take a little bit more of this shade just to kind of fix this little area. Darken it up. Alright, so moving on to the face, I'm going to use my primer spray. I think I'm going to go for the cucumber because it sounds nice and refreshing. I believe all three of them do the same thing, so I don't think it really matters which one I use. Oh, I can already smell it. It smells so good. I'm like scared. I'm going to do like a test. Okay. Ooh, okay. Ready? I always get so scared. I'm like, ready? Kind of like a spits a little bit. You gotta make sure you're like pushing it down, like one solid push. I really like when foundations say kind of like yellow or neutral or like warm, because I feel like I'm more of a neutral tone, so that just kind of like narrows it down for me. Shell Ivory is the lightest one I have. Let's see. Pretty nice looking coverage. Let's try Soft Ivory. It's definitely a little more on the yellow side. This is more of a cool tone. I think I'm probably gonna go for the yellow toned one because I'm not cool toned. Like my neck, like you can see the yellowness. Alright, I'm just going to be using my beauty blender with this. I don't really like to use a brush for my textured skin. I feel like it just moves it all around and just doesn't look good. Just gonna blend it out here. Damn, that's pretty nice. But, I mean, I feel like I have to mark my whole face because that's like as far as it went, you know what I mean? I guess I'll just keep going. It's kind of like painting. You have to like paint your whole face with it. Doesn't really spread well. Pretty kind of dry. I feel like applying this is taking forever. let's try this Morphe foundation brush on my forehead. So it definitely applies a lot faster with a brush. See, like, I don't really like how it looks like a bunch of lines. Like, can you guys see that? It looks like I'm just, you know, smearing it around. I would say it is medium to full coverage. Definitely medium, but I definitely need to go back over it because I can see some redness, and I just think full coverage looks better. The only plus is I don't see it getting darker, so the color hasn't changed at all. It is maybe a little hair too light for me, but I don't mind it. And then for concealer, I'm just gonna use that cool tone, the Shell Ivory, because it's a lot lighter. So just gonna do that under the eyes and a little on the chin. Here's how it's looking. I have a lot of forehead wrinkles and I do have under eye wrinkles, so I tend to always crease no matter what. But yeah, it actually doesn't look bad right now. It actually looks pretty nice, but it was a lot of work to get this on, so that I'll definitely take that into consideration. So let's just go ahead and set this. I'm gonna set it with my Van Nuys powder. I'm gonna use my Pure Cosmetics mineral powder because this has and I'm gonna use that on the rest of my face to like set this foundation. Pretty tacky feeling when I'm like trying to set it, so it's definitely picking up a lot of the powder color. Alright, let's move on to the bronzer and highlighter. This one is like deep next to this one and this one. I might just stay safe and play it safe with this one, but it's just so orangey, it kind of scares me. I go in light with this because I'm scared. And tap a lot off. Just gonna go in. Pretty orangey. It's like orange though, y'all. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and hopefully not mess this all up. Just to like deepen this up. But now we're gonna be looking like muddy. This is what we have right now, so we're just gonna have to go with it. I mean, nice blend though. I'm impressed at how well this blends. Like, in love. Definitely gonna have to go in with a different color next time. I don't think the orange looks bad by any means, but it's just orange, you know what I'm saying? It definitely has a little tiny bit of shine to it. But I'm not mad about that. It looks really, really pretty. There's no blush in here, but there is a highlight that kind of looks like it has blush in it. But I'm not trying to go for that clown look, so I don't know, man. And then there's this one, which kind of actually matches my bronzer, but I'm not really trying to do that either. I'm just going to put a little blush on from this carroty palette I have, so we don't just look like a carrot. Get a little bit of color in there. Alright, I pulled out all of the powder highlighters. These are the shades we have. The only thing I don't like about these is like you peel it off, and once you peel it off, it will forever be so messy in there. So that's like definitely like a pearl. I'm just gonna pop some of that right in my tear duct here. Hi. I'm gonna do a little bit of the spray. Of course, you guys, the camera died right when I was trying to tell you. I put on this highlighter. This is the I'm So Lit, and it's actually a very like shockingly bright color. But I feel like it's just, I mean, look at it. It's insane. And I just did a little whoop Alright, I added a little of that same eyeshadow to the bottom. And all I can say is I'm impressed. Like, it's good shit. Anyways, we're moving on to the lipsticks. Or I guess I should say glosses. The high shine glosses. And these are the ones I'm debating on. Wow. Oh, this one, by the way, is called Caught You Bare Naked. Okay, this is going in my purse. It's a little sticky, but it's not like where you're like, I'm never gonna wear that again. Let's try this more like deep pink. This one is Chick Got Real. It's like the same color as my lips right now. Here's that one. I actually like that a lot. I feel like we should try one of these dark shades just to see if the color payoff is as good as the other one. Okay. Damn. That's like so pigmented. So this shade, if I was to say like a discrepancy, it is a little wishy-washy. So like if you had a lipstick on prior and you put this over it, it would probably be like perfect. But it is a little like see-through, but like damn. Look at the color. As far as the foundation goes, honestly, I'm looking at my face and for my skin and texture, it looks flawless. Like not flawless, obviously, because you can always see my pores no matter what, but I'm like kind of obsessed right now. And I've had this on for like a good 30 minutes. Most foundations on my skin, after I have it on for like 20 minutes, it just starts like creasing really bad and separating. But this looks so good. So yeah, I think that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wasn't really sure where to go with it. I kind of just wanted to play with my makeup. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more videos for you guys. And I will see you guys next time.